Okay, so thank you for coming. I'm Ryohei Iwasaki from IDK Corporation. And then, okay. So IDK Corporation, the first thing I always have to say is the IDK doesn't stand for the I don't know. So IDK is a company name. So today I want to introduce the bridge between the SDVoE, the products, and then network audio. So the first, IDK is the SDVoE product called IP-NINJAR. So the one of the best codec AV over IP, the solution in the world. I mean the SDVoE. And then we have the very different, almost 10 different products using the SDVoE, the codec. And then, so we had many implementation, especially biggest one is the Yale School, which is they are installing more than the 200 SDVoE the product in their system. So they are happy with the SDVoE codec system, but the next step for the integrators and customers is they are always thinking how they going to integrate SDVoE system and then existing or the new network audio system. So now SDVoE transmitters, I mean the audio can go the switching and distribute to the SDVoE decoders, but not directly to the Dante. So, I mean, Dante audio can go through the 1G network of the encoder and decoders, but not directly transcode to the Dante right now. So, by integrating the Dante audio and the SDVoE the system into the one ecosystem, a lot of the benefits is there. So bi-directional audio transmit routing can provide more flexibility to the customers, and then also eliminates unnecessary converters, which is existing right now. And yeah, so to make these things possible, there is we thought about some approaches. So one is the built-in Dante module solution, which is every single encoders and decoders has the Dante module into the devices. So this system works, but still SDVoE adapters needs to implement other like hardware into the the module into the existing hardware. It provides maybe the little cost up to the customers. It doesn't make sense right now. But so this system, the biggest question is the customer can get the Dante audio from each encoders, but the question is in the system. So Dante audio can be used at every single Dante audio can be used at the same time or not. So many cases also fixed installation, they are choosing the source audio to output the speakers. So we think about the Dante bridge audio bridge type solution. So this is the one unit receives the SDVoE codec audio at the receiver side, and then transcode that SDVoE protocol to the Dante, and then to the output as a Dante audio. And then another direction, that unit, the bridge, can receive the Dante audio codec, and then transcode to the SDVoE codec, and then receive at the SDVoE decoders, right? So no need to replace existing equipment, and then no adding any modules to the existing equipment. So this is the bridge product. So as I mentioned, the unit has the primary, secondary, the Dante protocol, the ports, and then also the 10G SDVoE port. And then one single unit can receive up to 4 streams from the SDVoE encoders. And then output as an 8-channel audio. And then at the other side, the unit, the bridge, that can receive up to the 8-channel audio and then stream out to the SDVoE network up to 4 stream. And then and then there is some several mode. So if the SDVoE encoders, the streaming the 2-channel stereo audio from each transmitter, that we can receive at the 4th stream at the same time, and then output as an 8-channel audio. And then the other side, we can receive the 8-channel Dante audio, and then stream out as a 4-stream SDVoE audio codec audio stream. So this is the kind of the system example. So the upper side is from SDVoE to the Dante. So each encoder transmit the SDVoE HDMI audio and receive at the bridge, and then transcode to the Dante, and then go to maybe the mixer or directly to the speaker. And then the other bottom side is the mixing audio can be bring back to the SDVoE network, and then go to the encoder, and then customer can embed those audio into the HDMI signal or de-embed it as analog audio at the decoder side. So this is the typical case. So now if the customer really wants to make the audio and video routing separately, they're using like decoder as a decoder, and then HDMI Dante converter as a one set, and then go to the Dante network, and then output as a speaker, and then microphone, the Dante audio goes to the mixer, and then go to the Dante analog converter and the recording system. So there is 3 converters here, but if the Dante bridge available, it becomes like this, because the one unit can do the bidirectional signal, that bidirectional transmission. So encoder audio goes to the bridge and the output to the Dante, and then Dante audio goes to the bridge and then go to the decoder. And the decoder can do the embedded audio to the HDMI signal, and then de-embedded as an analog audio. So this is the kind of the product concept of this. So right now, so many the SDVoE members product can do the Dante audio through the 1G port. And then other items they can do only if the manufacturer put the Dante module onto the encoder decoders. But with the bridging product, we can switch HDMI audio, analog audio from the SDVoE encoder, and then output as a Dante. And then the decoder side, we can switch the HDMI audio, Dante audio, analog audio at the decoder side. So this is a kind of the new concept. And then this product, they can interoperable with the other SDVoE members the product. So this brings the system flexibility into the one system. Yeah. Yep. Yep. So very short, but this is my presentation. Thank you.